Well, welcome back, lifestylers, to Lifestyle with LaToshia. And in today's video, you're going to be a part of some family fun that we're going to be having on this day. I've taken the boys to the pool. They're enjoying themselves, getting some great sunshine. Unfortunately, though, it's going to be a little bit short-lived. However, we're going to make the best of it. And oh yeah, your girl is going to get her some water time in as well. And a little bit of relaxation. And honestly, that's what this day turned into. So you definitely have to stay tuned. And then in the end, I'm going to show you all how I set up my patio space after a little bit of encouragement from my hubby for Memorial Day. So definitely stay tuned for that. And then last, I'm going to give you a little insight into a beautiful day that I and a team of amazing people from my community created for some of the mothers and daughters in our neighborhood. It was a fantastic day, and you have to see this setup because we were thrilled with the way that it turned out. So definitely leave your comments down below and let me know what your thoughts are. And in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and get started. And as you can see, we are having an absolute blast at the pool. The boys were thrilled and having an amazing time. And I was just kind of glad to be able to get them out of the house. It's early in the summer, but we were enjoying this day. And as you can see, it pretty much was an empty house at the pool. And then this happened. So it didn't end up being as long as of time as we anticipated. However, we made the best of it. So with that, we went ahead and headed home. I got the boys some lunch and they laid down for a quick nap. And I decided that this was a time for me to sit down and light a candle, turn on some jazz, and as the rain began to fall, just sit out and enjoy my patio. So I think I mentioned in a couple of the last videos that I've had where I'm doing more intentional living. This is a part of that. This is me basically taking the time to stop and sit down and just enjoy myself. Just take a break, just relax and take in some reading, some nice music. The weather was perfect. There was raindrops happening all around me, and it was just a beautiful environment. And as you know, life is coming fast for all of us. And I don't know about all of you, but I know for some of you, we are all about the same age. And we know what that means is that we're dealing with pre-menopause, perimenopause, or post-menopause. And honestly, that is where I am. And I'm telling you, it takes a toll. And so you really have to ground yourself. And that's what I chose to do this afternoon. After going and sitting in the pool and enjoying some time with the boys, I decided when I got back home that it was going to be time for me. Oh, this was just what I needed, and it was absolutely breathtaking. As you can see, there's a light breeze that's happening, and I just was able to sit for a moment. Tell me down below, how many of you often get to do this? And then I want to tell you about this book. My daughter gave me this book for Christmas, and I have been journaling and filling out the questions that are in this book, and I absolutely love it. It actually is a book about my life, and I'm so grateful that she took the time and was honestly considerate enough to ask me about my story. And so here I'm able to go through and answer questions, and you can get this book from Amazon. And of course, I've linked it down below in my LTK shop. And don't worry, there are actually a book for dads as well. But this one, I was able to sit down and I'm journaling and I'm giving her my life story. Because as we know, we have to be intentional and share all of what life has brought and what it can bring. So this was the perfect afternoon to do this. So after having an amazing afternoon, I realized that my husband was hard at work. So this is his Cuisinart pellet grill. And when I saw him pull this out and he had the tools, I knew what time it was. He's getting ready to throw down for Memorial Day. And even though I had not intended to decorate Memorial Day, I decided that I'm going to show you the small amount of decorations that I did do for us for the holiday. It's supposed to be raining. We're probably not going to be traveling too much. However, this symbolizes to me he's about to get some things done. And I was like, okay, I got to make sure that I do my part. And so I'm going to go ahead and get started on my patio as he's out here trading out some of the parts and making everything fresh and new to kick off for his summer grilling series. And he does such an amazing job on the grill. You guys, I wish it was scratch and sniff or scratch and taste, because you would thoroughly enjoy it. All right, guys, so here we are. I'm going to go ahead and get started with some decorating, as I know that's what you guys are always here for. And if you've been here before, these are some pillow covers that I have used repeatedly simply because they are perfect and they work in the space. So I'm going to put them down, a couple of florals that I all got from Amazon. Of course, you've seen the Gather sign before. And those pillow covers, I actually will have them linked down below in my LTK shop, or you can scan the QR code right here on the screen as always. It will take you to where those items are located. But as you can see, there was a set of 12 and I love it because I can mix and match them. I'm going to bring in this Birds of Paradise plant that I've gotten from before. And here's my Old Faithful, always there, ready to go, just tying in that red, white, and blue theme that I love to have on my patio for either 4th of July or Memorial Day. And then it's all about just making the space cozy. I'm going to bring in some signs to signify that this is our home, some candles, of course. And if you haven't seen before, ferns are my go-to plants for my patio. They're so full, and you can get these from Lowe's or Home Depot. And they're right now about $9.88 for a really large size one. And then just to finish out the space, I'm going to bring in my flags. I've done this before. I do it every year just to symbolize that this is the holiday that we're celebrating. And it just makes that space so festive. And I love the way that it creates such an ambiance on my patio for my family and myself. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in a tray because, as I said, my husband's been working on the grill really hard and he's probably going to want some refreshments when he comes in from a break. And so we sit out here and we'll take some time just to kind of sit and laugh and continue to enjoy the rain, because I don't know if you're in Georgia, but we are going to be having rain for the next 7 days. So we're just going to slow it down, enjoy the pace of life as we can, as much as we can. And I'm so grateful that we're able to do so whenever we get a moment. So as you guys know, lighting the candles symbolizes for me that that's a wrap for the space that I've just created for my family. And I hope that you're enjoying it. And here is the reveal. Let me know what your thoughts are. As you can see, the sun has set. There's a nice breeze still happening, and the raindrops were still coming down gently. It was the perfect atmosphere for us to sit out in this cozy space and just enjoy it. And as we prepare for this holiday, I hope that you have an amazing time with your family. I hope that you're able to celebrate some of the great memories of your loved ones that are here today or that may have already left us. Just take a time to enjoy it. But if you do like this video, hit that like button. Let me know that you're interested in what I'm doing on this channel. Subscribe now, because I would love for you to be a part of all that we're doing on Lifestyle with LaToshia. And of course, I want to hear your comments. I want to hear what you guys have to say. Let me know what you're doing for Memorial Day, what special things you've got planned. And anyway, we're going to go ahead and wrap this video up. And as always, I thank you guys for being here. Now stay tuned for something special. I also want to take the time to thank all of the amazing members of the social committee. You guys are absolute rock stars, and your generosity goes beyond compare. Thank you for all you do.